NASA's solar probe just touched the sun and recorded the sounds of solar atmosphere. Listen to the sound. That is the real footage recorded by the probe as it touched the sun's upper atmosphere. We are literally witnessing the history being made in front of our eyes. This is a monumental achievement in the space exploration. NASA's Solar Parker broke its own record when it came within 3.8 million miles of the sun's surface. Needless to say, the results from Parker's solar probe's mission are unprecedented, and sun scientists are excited about this spacecraft's data-gathering ability so close to our local star. After touching the sun's outer surface, the probe sent back a signal to Earth indicating it's in good health and operating normally.